Hello friends. Welcome to the 35th episode of #backlinks. In the last video I taught you to create 5 profile backlinks on 90 plus domain authority websites and also discussed several domain ranking factors. In today's video we will discuss about Quora website, where I will tell you 2 hacks by which you can drive heavy traffic from Quora on your website. Quora is a question and answer website with 300 million monthly active users. Before proceeding further, let us have a look at its metrics. You can see its metrics on Ahrefs, SEMrush, and Moz are going to win our hearts. Its questions are easily ranked on the first page of Google. You can drive targeted traffic to your website by using the 2 hacks I'm going to share with you today. If you want to learn off-page SEO strategies or want to get your website ranked, you can avail my 180 days of off-page SEO action plan. You can apply the action plan given in the guide for all the languages and niches. With the help of this guide, users are getting their website ranked and driving organic traffic to their website. Now, let's go ahead and start today's topic. In our first hack, we will try to create an ad in Quora. After creating the ad account, we will click on the new campaign. In the next page you have to name the campaign, select traffic in objective and enter any random amount in the daily maximum budget. Moving on to the next page, you have to select the questions in the Choose Primary Targeting and click Bulk Ad. You will see a box in which you can enter your keyword. As you can see, I did a search with the keyword earn money and related questions started showing up. The right-hand side has the weekly views of that question, which shows how much traffic that question receives in a week. You can target similar questions related to your niche and drive heavy traffic to your website. Google will help us in our second hack. I have put a search query in Google, so that we will find out what are the questions of Quora that receives lots of traffic, but very few people have answered that question. I've searched for the game keyword to try to find out what are the questions that have only one answer but have more than 1,000 views. Google considers the exact phrase, so the number that has 1 in the last will also show in its results. You have to target a question with one answer. As you can see, there is only one answer in this question and its views are 161K. I'll take another keyword and show it to you. You can see that when I did it with the money keyword, there are a lot of questions that have only one answer and more than 1,000 views. The less competition, the more views your answer will get. The more views you get, the more traffic you will be able to drive to your website. You can find many such high traffic questions by putting 2 answers instead of 1 answer in the search query, and also by inserting different keywords of your niche. That's all for today. I hope you must have learned a lot from today's video. You can post your doubts, demands, and suggestions in the comment box below, or you can ask in the WhatsApp group of #backlinks. Let's meet in the next video, with something informative and something very interesting.